Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well today. I prepared this Mexican rice recipe for you. Smells delicious and it tastes delicious. It's a spicy rice with some cumin and coriander and some vegetables. You can serve it with any meat, you can put it inside of a burrito, you can even add shrimps to it. To make my recipes more user-friendly, I decided to put shopping list in a description box, so check the information there. Thank you in advance for watching this video and subscribing to my channel, and without further ado, let me show you how I make this spicy, delicious Mexican rice. Start by cleaning 2 carrots and dice it. I'm gonna use half a bell pepper and dice it. One medium-sized onion and chop. And 2 cloves of garlic chopped. Once you have the veggies chopped, put a little bit of olive oil on your pan. And we're gonna add the vegetables and saute over medium heat for approximately 5 minutes. Stir occasionally. So while sauteing, prepare 2 cups of long grain rice as well as tomato paste. So after 5 minutes, add 2 cups of rice and 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. Bring the heat a little bit lower, add water, add a can of diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of dry oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, salt, pepper, and 1 heaped teaspoon of vegetable broth. Mix everything together and we're gonna cook until the rice is soft. I'm gonna give this 15 minutes before I taste the rice. So now it's been 15 minutes since I started cooking the rice. It needs another few minutes. So after another 5 minutes, the rice is soft now. I'm gonna add some chopped cilantro, mix it in, and the Mexican rice is ready.